Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a box from ThreadBeast. Oh yes, this is my biggest box yet. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So I got my box right here. This Joker, man, this is the biggest box. Like I said, this is the biggest box that I have gotten from ThreadBeast, man. I mean, I'm ready to get into it, man. As you can see, we got the big boy, the big black box right here, man. You feel me? Always curated with love, man. So I'm very excited to see what's in this box right here. I got my trusty box cutter. So you know what time it is. I gotta go ahead and give it, like I said, this is a big boy. I gotta give it a good old slice, then peel back, gang. You know what time it is, man. We gotta peel it back, man. Whoo, this joker is going crazy. I already know. All right, and oh yes, this is, look, let me just give you a quick peek right here, man. We got a full box of stuff right here, man. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's get this thing started, man. I don't even know where to begin. Right here, matter of fact, let me put this box down, B. Box is too big, man. Here we go. First off, we do have a Stussy shirt. We have a black Stussy crew neck right here. Very clean, heavyweight, size medium. You can see we got that size medium Stussy right here. All black plain Jane t-shirt right here, man. I will put this under the category of essentials. You feel me? You cannot go wrong with a fresh black tee, and it does have good weight on it. Now, you know I'm going to be putting everything on. I'm going to be styling everything that I get in this box, man. So make sure you stay tuned for the on-body portions of this video. And next, we do have a jean jacket from Jack and Jones. Jack and Jones right here, man. Jean jacket, another essential. And as the sticker says, this was a bonus item. So maybe that's why the box was so big, because I did get a bonus item. They did not charge me extra for this piece, man. And this is an essential. I can't wait to put this on, you know, let y'all see how I would style the jean jacket, because like I said, you cannot go wrong with one of these, and it is an essential for your closet. You feel me? Very nice jacket. And right here, I do have the jacket on. Now, this is a lightweight jacket, very versatile. You see, I got the graphic t-shirt on, the artist her. I got the red Nike woven shorts on. Jordans, you know, matching hat. You can't really go wrong with this. This jacket is something that you could wear while you have like some lighter weight clothes on, you know, not when you need something super heavy, but it does also give you a different type of a vibe. And next we got something black. Let's see what we got here, man. We have another jacket. We have a jacket from Staple right here. Hopefully you guys can see we have that Staple pigeon right here, man. Very nice. Let's go ahead and unzip this joker. Oh, this is like a bomber style jacket. You kind of get that satin inside with that nice, it's not jean material, it's more of like a burlap material right here. And we do have the Staple on that bottom right there, the Staple right there on that bottom, right where we do have those pockets, man. Very nice. Still has the price tag on there right here. And yeah, a very nice jacket, man. We do have an inside pocket. This is like what I call that sleeper pocket. So it's on the inside, right along that zipper. And yeah, very, man, we even got a hood on this joint, man. So it is like a hoodie bomber jacket type of a joint, man. We got some good stuff in this box, man. This box is definitely shaping up to be one of my favorites. And right here, I do have on the jacket. I have it on with a graphic t-shirt, black jeans, you know, so you can kind of get that black streamline. Also with the checkerboard Vans. And as you can see, we do have that slim pocket right there. So this is definitely a clean outfit. Got that hood on there, which most bomber jackets don't have. So you kind of get something unique with this. Went ahead, threw it on with that matching hat as well. I feel like this is a good outfit. Very versatile. All right, and you know what? Let me also point out this Nixon watch right here. This I did get in one of my previous ThreadBeast boxes. So you feel me? You never know what you're gonna get, man. And I'm using this. I'm getting a lot of wear out of this joint. But let's go ahead and go to the next item right here, man. We do have some. Ooh, okay. We got some joggers. We got some Playboy joggers right here in that navy blue. We have the white drawstrings right here, man. And we have a taped design going down the side, and it does say Playboy in that kind of like creamish white with the red and blue. So you know you can't go wrong with some good joggers, man. Do have that Playboy tag right here, and this is in a size medium, which is my preferred size, man. So I can't wait to throw these on. These definitely will be one of those comfy type of fits right here. And right here, I did throw the joggers on with that Dodger jersey. You feel me? The joggers was given athletic, so I had to come with a jersey. Went ahead, threw the white forces on because you cannot go wrong with white forces. You feel me? We got that Jackie Robinson number 42. We got that LA Dodgers with that side patch right there, man. This is a clean fit if I haven't seen one before, man. Definitely like it, definitely comfortable, definitely airy, and I cannot wait to rock this joint. Next up, we do have a pair of jeans. Okay, we got some jeans. We got a nice pair of blue jeans. Almost has like an indigo wash on these joints, you feel me? Size 34, and these are from, let's see, DL Performance. Okay, so we do have a tag on the back right here, and I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with like purple jeans, how they kind of put that tag on the back, and most people leave the tag on. So I'm not sure if I want to leave this tag on or if I want to take it off. But we have the DL Performance jeans. These are a Cooper tapered slim fit right here. And I always like to go slim or skinny on my jeans. That's just the way that I prefer. So I'm glad they are a slim fit right here. But very nice looking jeans. We have kind of almost a tapered bottom right here. Indigo wash, man. Can't wait to put these joints on, you feel me? I might be able to rock this with something else in the box. And right here, I do have the jeans on, and like I said, they kind of have that indigo wash on there, you know, definitely a very strong shade of blue. And I decided to just leave the pocket tag on for now. I'll probably end up taking it off, but for now, I just left it on. And I went and threw it on with the Jordan 1s, matching Los Angeles Grateful Dead t-shirt and the J-Tips fitted, man. You already know the vibes, man. We're going to coordinate till we can't coordinate no more. And next, wow, now this is crazy. We have a big jacket from We SC, man. Now this is a big boy right here, man. This is like a parka. I want to say this is like a parka jacket right here. And it does have a nice pattern, that houndstooth type of a pattern right here. We got the black and white checkered with kind of like a hint of almost like a light marine blue on this joint. And this is when I say this is a big jacket, this is like a parka, man. So I can't wait to throw this joint on. You feel me? It has been raining. It has been pretty cold right here. So this is going to be perfect, man. We got our buttons. And we do have, it looks like, oh yeah, we got the zipper that comes all the way down, man. So very nice to add this to the collection, man. So this will definitely check off having a big jacket on my box right here, man. And right here I do have on the black Stussy t-shirt from earlier in the video. Definitely heavyweight and a good fit. Went ahead and threw it on with the black jeans and the Jordan 1 low tops. Matching black cookies and cream hat from Hat Club, so you know this is a fit. Something clean. But remember that jacket, man? Oh yes, the jacket looks good as well. And this is just an example how you can have the same outfit on, but you get two totally different looks, man. We got the jacket, it looks good with the hood on back. And this is something that will definitely keep you warm. I mean, it's like very insulated, you feel me? But don't forget to give this video a like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more stuff coming, man. Remember, let me know which outfit was your favorite out of these, man. Because this one right here, this was cold, man. And as always, I appreciate you guys checking out this video, man. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie. And I'm out.